good agricultural practice using mechanization for knaf production as alternative crop to tobacco on brisk soil, by Professor Engineer Dr. Desa Ahmad, Biological and Agricultural Engineering. This invention relates to the field of knaf seeding and developed specifically for knaf based on physical and aerodynamic properties of knaf seed. In-field oil palm fresh fruit bunch picker by Associate Professor Engineer Dr. Azmi Datuk Yahya, Biological and Agricultural Engineering. A highly versatile and efficient machine system for in-field evacuation of randomly located cut oil palm fresh fruit bunches on varied types of terrain conditions. An integrated biorefinery for bioenergy production from Jatorpa seeds by Professor Dr. Robiah Yunus, Chemical and Environmental Engineering. An integrated biorefinery for biodiesel production from waste or residual oil using new tube pulse trans-esterification reactor. Hydrogel biocar composite development for carbon dioxide capture by Associate Professor Dr. Wan Azlina Wan Abdul Karim Ghani, Chemical and Environmental Engineering. Hydrogel biocar composite HBC is a hybrid absorbent synthesized from biomass which can be applied in many gas cleanings and heavy metal removal from wastewater industry. Interlocking mortarless load-bearing building block systems by Professor Dato Engineer Abang Abdullah Abang Ali, Housing Research Center. The present invention relates to an interlocking modular block system for mortarless wall assembly. A plurality of blocks are laid up in courses in a staggered relationship in which three different block configurations are provided, namely stretcher, corner and half block units. The stretcher and corner blocks have lengths at least 1.5 times the width, and the half blocks has the same width and a length which is half the length of the stretcher and corner blocks. The invention offers a simple and fast construction procedure even when using unskilled labor. Automatic heatable dual mode roller compactor by Professor Dr. Ratnasamy Munyandi, Civil Engineering. This 0.5-ton automatic compactor can be heated to the required level of temperature for compacting purposes. The number of passes will be automatically counted. The compactor is guided by a two-way motorized gear system that provides forward and reverse movements. The system runs on a pneumatic system with a maximum pressure of 10 bars. Asphalt samples can be prepared to carry out indirect tensile, resilient modulus and stability tests. Industrialized Building System by Dr. Farzad Higazi, Civil Engineering. The present invention relates to a connecting means for precast walls in Industrialized Building System (IBS), subjected to dynamic loading due to ground motion, earthquake, wind, tsunami, machine vibration, etc. Formulation and validation of effective variable stiffness bracing system for structures under dynamic load by Dr. Farzad Hijazi, Civil Engineering. The present invention relates to a variable stiffness bracing device deployed as a smart structural control mechanism of a building to protect the building against severe vibration and ground motion. The present invention is functioned in retrofitting and rehabilitation of structures where subjected to dynamic loads and vibrations due to wind, earthquake and ground movement. Transmitting unit of peak to average power ratio reduction (PAPR) and digital pre-distortion in OFDM systems. By Professor Dr. Burhanuddin Muhammad Ali, Computer and Communication System Engineering. The power amplifier PA and its associated components consume up to 50% of the overall power in a wireless broadband devices and account for a similar proportion of operating costs. The efficiency of the PA is dependent on the crest factor or peak to average power ratio (PAPR) of the signal being amplified and linearity of the PA. By far, PAPR-DPD gives the most effective solution to maximize power efficiency by up to 40%, hardware resource reduction by up to 70%, and to help prolong battery life of mobile devices by reducing their energy consumptions. Portable Solar Tracker by Professor Engineer Dr. Muhammad Zainal Abidin Abdul Kadir, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The compact and sleek structural design of the portable solar PV system allows the maximization of the energy generation and capable to be deployed anywhere on the ground or building surfaces. Robotic Hand by Associate Professor Dr. Wan Zuha Wan Hassan, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The main function of the proposed robotic hand model is to grasp automatically the solid object based on measurements of pressure sensors. It can be used to grab delicate objects and handle weights up to 600 grams. Transmission Line Laboratory Model (TSLM) by Dr. Jasronita Jasni, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The TSLM is a basis for power system analysis laboratory. The number of buses can be increased to represent network systems, and it can be extended to three-phase systems. These increase the number of studies and experiments that can be performed. Portable device for storing toothpaste and toothbrush that is equipped with toothpaste dispensing mechanism by Dahri Said, Muhammad Pavarish, Nohsin Tafazoli, Nurain Hashim, Intan Fifiziana Muhammad Arif, Dr. Fairuz Izuddin Romli, Aerospace Engineering. In its storage mode, the invention acts as a portable storage box for the toothpaste tube and toothbrush. It provides physical protection for the items and helps to avoid any accidental spills of the toothpaste in the luggage. In its dispenser mode, it can be manually operated to provide a suction for dispensing toothpaste from the tube cleanly onto the toothbrush without any unnecessary spills. Pomelo Juice Extractor by Associate Professor Dr. Rosnah Samsudin. Designed to extract juice from fruits via two major processes, which are crushing and spinning. The fruit's flesh are crushed in the crushing chamber and collected at the spinning chamber. The centrifugal forces from the spinning processes further extract the juice from the pulp and are collected in the juice container. The advantages of this machine are easy to handle, able to preserve the quality of the fruit juice, and the juice from fruits can be optimally extracted, thus producing almost pulp-free fruit juice. An automated blender cooker for paste making by Associate Professor Dr. Siti Mazlina Mustafa Kamal. This invention relates to an automated blender cooker for paste making, especially for chili paste. It is suitable for household use and can be scaled up for industrial production of chili paste in order to simplify chili paste processing tasks. An apparatus for grating and peeling fruits and vegetables by Associate Professor Dr. Siti Mazlina Mustafa Kamal, Process and Food Engineering. This invention relates to an apparatus for grating and peeling fruits or vegetables that is a multifunction apparatus which can grate, peel and cut fruits and vegetables. A method and apparatus for high-intensity ultrasonic treatment of baking materials by Associate Professor Engineer Dr. Chin Nyuk Ling, Process and Food Engineering. Immersing the dough mixer bowl in the ultrasonic bath during the mixing process. A device for making tablets from herbal powders and method thereof. Invented by Associate Professor Dr. Yus Aniza Yusof, Process and Food Engineering. This device was fabricated to investigate the tableting characteristics of selected Malaysian herbs such as Urocoma longifolia Jack, Morinda citrifolia and Ficus deltoida. The invention is used for downstream processing of Malaysian herbal powders, particularly for herbal tablet formulation and testing of finished product. MBO coating by Associate Professor Dr. Muhammad Basharuddin Abdul Rahman, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science. MBO coating is a solution to the existing arcalite-dominating coating formulations. Increase in awareness of high toxicity of arcalite has led to a refreshingly different surface coating formulation with safer choice for consumers and environment. Nano formulations are in wide assortment of chemistries to match the profile requirements of various surfaces and wooden products. Graphene Modified Bio-Based Drilling Fluid by Professor Dr. Robiah Yunus, Institute of Advanced Technology. A new formulated allyl-based ester for green drilling fluid enhanced with graphene material. The development of food-grade green lubricant by Professor Dr. Robiah Yunus, Institute of Advanced Technology. A new method to synthesize and optimize polyol-based ester as base oil for chain lubricant. The formulated product is further enhanced by adding anti-wear and corrosion inhibitor additives. Palm oil-based synthetic lubricants for metal working purposes by Professor Dr. Robiah Yunus, Institute of Advanced Technology. Synthetic metal working lubricants need oils formulated from palm oil-based high oleic trimethylpropane triesters, which are non-hazardous, environmental friendly and readily biodegradable. Portable Heavy Metal Detector by Professor Dr. Nur Azza Yusof, Institute of Advanced Technology. For detection of PB2, Hg2, CD2 and CR6 in aqueous sample or pre-treated food sample.